Growing up as a kid, we'd always go out on the boats and go fishing, and you'd see the kōrero, or little penguins in the water, just bobbing around on the surface, and you have to dodge and weave around them. Always thought of that as normal, and it's only coming here that I've kind of realised that it isn't actually. In Hobart, in the Derwent Estuary, back in the day there used to be over 1,000 breeding pairs of little penguins. Today, there's less than 170. So with the declining numbers in the Derwent Estuary, it's going to be really difficult to find the little penguin, but with a bit of local knowledge, we might just be in the right position to find them and find the smallest penguin in the world. I'm Aschebrock, a Darwin 200 litre, and come with me as I'm in pursuit of the world's smallest penguin. This is the Derwent Estuary, over 50 kilometres long, with a catchment stretching across a fifth of the state. It's home to thousands of black swans, critically endangered handfish, and some rather quite peculiar townies.
It's actually quite a diverse environment, and one that's seen a lot of changes over time. There's some really great old records from some of the European colonisers and settlers here, talking about how whale song in the Derwent was so loud that it was keeping them up at night. They're like complaining, oh, we can't sleep, there's too many whales, or some of exaggerated accounts that you could walk across the Derwent on whaleback.
Back in the 1980s, we certainly had penguins nesting, within hundreds of metres of the city centre in the Hobart port facility.
So that was pretty special.
But because of human disturbance, most of these sites have now, they've failed, and these little sites have now gone extinct.
Luckily, a few penguins stayed, and at night, their calls echo across the water.
They make this sharp trill, like a which is fun, especially when you're camping out on the islands and trying to sleep at night, and all of the penguins are doing it at once. That's fun. I was working on some dolphin research, and we were putting hydrophones in the water back when I was an undergraduate, and we kept hearing this little it sounded like a ringtone, like a doo-doo-doo. And I think we worked out that it was just little penguins calling to each other underwater.
So, with ears peeled, we set out to a secret location and waited till nightfall to try and find these elusive birds. I found some more penguins. I found them. And just like that, I found the Derwent Estuary's little penguins. Unfortunately, in Aotearoa, New Zealand and Australia, interactions like these have become increasingly rare. Little penguins are incredibly hardy, but still so vulnerable to attacks from cats and dogs, habitat destruction and climate change, which is why moments like these are so special. Join us in the next episode as we move further up the Derwent Estuary to better understand the issues facing the region and the work being done to heal this unique ecosystem.